Hi guys, welcome to House of Samsung. Today I have my brand new Samsung JetBot vacuum. I'm excited about this one because it has this little guy right here, which is Lidar. So this allows you to look into the SmartThings app, and you'll be able to see where the Samsung will actually map the rooms, and it knows exactly where it's been. And you can create no-go zones and then also specific rooms in the house that you can tell it to go clean instead of just cleaning the whole house. So I'm definitely excited to try this one. This is going to be my third robot vacuum. I have another which is by Weiss. It does have LiDAR, so I've kind of seen what that looks like. And then before that one, I have another Samsung, but that one only has a camera, so it knows where it's been, and you can kind of vaguely see that in the app, but it doesn't give you that specific control that this one's supposed to do. So I'm excited to try it out. Here are some of the features that it is mentioning. So it does have that precise navigation, like I mentioned with LiDAR, so it's going to be able to really map the entire house and, well, the floor it's in, so you can actually see where it's been. It says it's got this intelligent power, which I've noticed that with my other one. Whenever it gets into the carpet, it'll actually turn up the power a little bit more so that it cleans it a little bit better. And once it's back into bare floors, then it just goes back into that normal power mode. It says it has a high efficiency brush, so we'll see what that's like. My other one has a very soft brush, which works really well for bare floors, but it doesn't deep clean in carpets. I mean, these aren't really made for deep cleaning, but depending on how tough those bristles are, it can definitely get a little bit deeper into the carpet, depending if it is just better for carpets or more for the floor. So we'll see what that's like. And it does have that upgraded Wi-Fi control, so I believe that's going to be tied into the Select and Go, so you'll be able to see what the mapping based on the LiDAR does, and then you can set no-go zones and then what floors to go to. So let's see what's inside the box. All right, here we go. So I already cut this part just to make it easier. All right, let's see what we got inside. Put that down. All right, so it looks like we do have a pretty hefty set of manuals. So I'll definitely be reading all about this to make sure I set it up correctly and get everything going. I definitely do read all my owner's manuals, so there's that side of me. All right, but that's just my paper. So the actual robot's gonna be here. So, well, actually, let's start with these smaller things. So this is what the charger, okay, so this is similar to what I had before. This is gonna connect to the power cord, and then that's gonna go into the wall, into the outlet. And then you're gonna have your base over here, which sits by the wall. That looks like it's underneath. Okay, pretty compact. I kinda like it. Oh, and it's got that cable management, so you can put the cable in there so you don't really see it when it's right up against your wall. And this is the little charging ports for the vacuum. There's that. Oh, okay, so I hadn't had these before. I believe these are tapes, well, not really tapes, but it's these little rubber tapes essentially that you can set on the floor, and then you prevent the vacuum from actually going past it, so you can set no-go zones manually using this. If I am correct, I will let you know that's the actual case. Here's a filter, which, okay, so it doesn't look like this is washable. My first one is has a washable filter, which is more like a sponge, kind of like a foam thing. So I do like that you're able to just rinse it clean and just keep going. All right, and this is where the actual robot is. And then the rest is all, actually, they just have one brush, which I believe you have to put that in one of the corners so that it cleans the corners of the house. So we'll see. Let's move this out of the way. Okay. And squeaky, squeaky. All right, here we go. Oh, it's nice. It even has LiDAR sensor. I do like how it says that. And it's got this nice, like machined aluminum look to it. So that's nice. I'm guessing this is just for keeping the brush from not bending. Looks like that's just gonna come off. Well, anyway, I'll have to look at it. So all of the sensors, so these you can clearly see if you're using a phone. When you're looking at it, you will see all the infrared sensors as they light up. So that's gotta be the front bumper sensor. It also has a rear sensor here. This is the manual on-off button, I believe. Samsung JetBot with SmartThings. And here, okay, that's an interesting looking brush. It's completely soft and has just a little bit of these tiny rubber things, so that's new. But yeah, okay, there we go. It just came off. So there's a look at it. Here's where the charging contacts are. I believe this would be the battery. And so that second brush was an extra. It already has one here. So here we go. This is the first look at the Samsung JetBot with Lidar. So I'm gonna set this one up and see what it looks like once it's actually going and compared to the other robot vacuum. So thank you so much for watching.